How to fix TikTok watermark not showing on videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix your watermark not showing on your TikTok video. Now, if you're unable to see the TikTok watermark on your videos, it might be due to a few reasons. Here are some of the troubleshooting steps to try it. Make sure that the option to display the TikTok watermark is enabled on the app settings. You can usually find this option in the settings, or else you can also update to the latest version. So for that, you need to head over to your Play Store, and then on the search box you need to type in TikTok, and here you need to check whether the application needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely updated, then you can try restarting your device, and that should be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working out, then you can also try reinstalling the application. So this can sometimes fix your issue all at once. So when you're recording or editing a TikTok video, make sure that the watermark option is selected, and there should be toggle or checkbox to enable or disable the watermarks during the video creation process as well. If none of the steps work, then you can reach out to a TikTok support team for further assistance, and they may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or insight into the issues. Now, by following this step, you should be able to resolve the TikTok watermark not showing on your videos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.